BittyBrush. Hi, let's draw ice cream, the horn. Let's draw 3 balls of ice cream. I really love ice cream, and you? It turns out very well. Let's draw the tubes. Great! And draw the stripes. And now let's color our delicious ice cream. Pink color, probably strawberry. The color is blue. Yellow color. Let's color the chocolate brown. Don't forget to subscribe to the BittyBrush channel to see more videos. Wow, what a bright ice cream turned out!